What's up, it's me, David Perry, and today I have an unboxing video, and you're probably like,
why is there an unboxing video?
And to answer that question, Karen, it's because I will be building a gaming computer in a few days, and if you guys want to catch that video, what you gotta do is you gotta subscribe, because that's the only way you're gonna, Also, be sure to tap that little bell notification icon thingy that you see, so that way you're alerted when I do end up posting that video. But that video will be posted in a few days from now. But before I get to that video, what I'm going to be doing is unboxing the accessories, peripherals, the whatchamacallits, before I jump into that big shindig. Anyway, enough talk. Guess what I'm unboxing? Go ahead, guess. Read the title. That's literally all you have to do. Who did I think I was talking to? That's... Ooh. The attitude needs to stop. Yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing the Razer Ornata Chroma Membrane Keyboard. What on earth do all those words mean? I don't know either. But you know what? We're gonna get into it. So let me switch the view and let's unbox this girl, alright? So I did go ahead and release the pull tabs that were at the side. Apparently I didn't need to use my unboxing knife. Melinda. Hey guys, meet Melinda. She literally sits by my bedside at all times. For what reason? I really don't know. Anyway, back to the keyboard. So this keyboard does retail for $100 currently. I did end up getting it at a very discounted price at Best Buy. Best Buy reward membership. As Razer touts this is a mecha membrane keyboard, which basically means that it's not a membrane keyboard, but it's not a mechanical keyboard either. It's somewhere in between. Before I go in, listen to this. Oh my god, anyway, it just reminds me a lot of the Apple keyboard, which is one of the reasons why I really like this keyboard. And yes, I did go to Best Buy and bought it in store because I just like how, they have them laid out, all the mechanical keyboards just laid out, and you can just go with the keyboards, whatever, and test them out. Let's see. All right, so we got some documentation. I'm not reading that. Okay, moving on. If I don't end up liking this, I will return it and get another one. But right now, I'm listening to this, and I did play with one that they've had fully on display. That was connected to like a computer or whatever, but I got to play with it, and I really love these keys a lot. All right, enough rambling. Let's open up Ornata. All right. So this is supposed to come with an armrest, and there it is. Okay. Okay. She's not beefy. Oh, and the cables are braided. Okay, here's the armrest. I really like the armrest. I did, as I said, use the full entire keyboard. Move. When I was in the Best Buy store. But what really creeps me out is that, there's some keyboards that literally come with the armrest attached. I don't know. I feel... Oh, this is magnetic. Girl, What? Is it actually magnetic? Okay. Oh, okay. This feels really soft. It feels like... Oh, an armrest. That's what it feels like. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so yeah, this is magnetic to some degree. It's not very strong, but it's not like it's gonna slip off immediately either. It does come with a little cable tie right here, and there she goes. All right, let's get her hooked up. All right, did I do it right? Ooh. Oh, she's lavender. Oh, she's fading. Oh, she's coral. Okay, she's yellow. Hit that yellow. Okay, so long story short, I really like it. Typing on it, and the angle that I keep my arm on the armrest and typing on the actual damn keyboard, it's amazing. I'm looking at it right now, that's why I'm looking over there. But anyway, I think it's a 10 out of 10. I love the travel. It's literally just perfect for me. It's just really cool. I like this keyboard. This is definitely a keyboard that I'm not gonna switch out. I really like it. I like the fact that it is RGB and not just green or not just red. I hate keyboards like that. Red and green. God, just don't put lighting on there. Anyway, I think I'm gonna change this to like that lavender lilac purple that I was like hyping up when I turned it on for the first time. One thing to note though, this keyboard does not have like a USB port on it. Like there's no place that you could put like a mouse into the keyboard or charge your phone or something like that in the keyboard, which isn't a deal breaker, but you know, it's a nice feature to have, especially when you're paying $100 for a damn keyboard. It has the little feetsies that oh jeez. It has a little feetsies that lets it like raise up just a tad so you can get a nice angle on it. I don't know what's a keyboard feet. Is that what you call them? Keyboard feet. I really like it. I'm gonna play with the Razer Chroma thing so I can like do the zone lighting or whatever, but you know, we will see all of that when I come out with the full gaming PC build, which will drop in a few days, so be sure to stay for that video if you're interested. I don't care if you're interested, you better watch it. I will see you guys in the next video.